What is going on, guys? We got another 40th, and we're gonna crack it. Hope everybody's having a great weekend started. It's Friday. It's always a good day. It's gonna be fun to crack because I've been drawing so much. Hopefully we get something nice. I still haven't pulled a sketch. Maybe one day. Alright, let's do it. First pack. Got a half Nelson. Trash Tracy in the blue. 2 out of 99. And we got an Atom Bomb. 19 of 50. That's beautiful for the first pack. Let's see who this guy is. Sean Dickinson in the gold. Not a bad looking card. Not bad. All right. Hopefully that wasn't all the hits. Pack number 2. Got all the hits in the first pack. Vermin Herman. Scorpions. Taziano Marziano. Followed by, we got a B card. Flying Ryan. Decapitated Hetty. And Ben Bolt. Yeah, it's going to be hard putting this set together without B cards. I have to do some trading. Alright, we got Scalped Ralph, Facey Tracy, and the Eras, New Wave Dave, Weird Wendy, and GPK Yourself. Anybody know if that website's up or not? I haven't checked. Probably not up yet. We'll see if it ever comes up. Kind of like the old ones. Rundown Rhonda. You got a blue. Can't Stand It. And that is a B card. 32 of 99. Messy Tessie. Wrinkling Randy. And Prickly Rick. Convict, or Vic. Die Total Caputian Kids, Beastie Bow. That's awesome. Unzip Zach, B card, nice. Beastie Boy, and Alien Allen. Alright, Dead Ted. We got a purple unstitched Mitch. 139 out of 199. Newly Dead Ed. Green Grim Jim. And a Dangling Dolly. Alright. Every time I say, come on sketch, I never get one, so I'm not going to say it. Windy Winston. I think I have that one already. That's a wacky pack. Those are cool. Alice Island. Green. Crack Jack. Russell Muscle. Last pack. Magic. Hot Scott, Furry Fran, Green Jean B, Brainy Janie, and Staring Darren. And that was it. Not a great box, but an okay box. You got 4 hits. You got the Atom Bomb at a 50. Trash Tracy at a 99. Kent Standard at a 99. And Unstitched Mitch at a 199. Alright. Cool little Atom Bomb. Not bad. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a great weekend, guys. Take it easy, and thanks for watching. Bye.